Hi. So what is Boyle's law? Boyle's law is also called Marriott's law, a relation concerning the compression of expansion of a gas constant temperature. This empirical relation is formulated by the physicist Robert Boyle in, in 1662. State that the pressure, or P, of a given quantity of gas varies inversely with its volume at constant temperature. In equation of PV and Ka constant, the relationship was also discovered by the French physicist Edmé Mariotte in 1676. The temperature of a gas increases as the volume decreases, assuming constant mass and temperature. Pulling up, here's the picture. Pulling up increases the volume and decreases the pressure. Pushing down decreases the volume and increases the pressure. So here's the formula of Boyle's law. So since the pressure is inversely proportional to the volume, here's the picture of how you see pressure and volume in Boyle's law. So let's have an example of Boyle's law. 17.5 sample of gas is at 4.500 atm. What will be the volume if the pressure becomes 1.500 atm with a fixed amount of gas and temperature? So here's the picture and the solution. So the first thing you will do is find the P1 and the V1. The next, find the P2, then leave the V2, volume 2. Since the question is what will be, we're going to find the volume 2. So first is times the P1 to V1, then divide it to P2. Pressure 1, volume 1, pressure. So first is find the P1, find the pressure 1, then find the volume 1. Then after it, you're going to times the P1 and the volume 1, then divide it to the final pressure. And that's how you solve Boyle's law to get the volume 2. So let's move in the next example. So now I'll be giving you an example on how Boyle's law works, representing balloons and bottle. So let me explain what just happened when we pull the balloon membranes at the bottom. So there will be an increasing in volume of gas inside. This turn decreased the pressure inside the bottle, making it unequal with pressure outside the bottle. Since the pressure inside the bottle is higher than the air inside, molecules are pushed inside the balloons at the top of the bottle. Because of this, the balloon inflated, making the volume of air inside the bottle decrease back to normal. This is very similar on how our diaphragm and lungs work. And so again, the volume confined gas increases, its pressure decreases, and vice versa. And this is how Boyle's law works.